Good day everyone! Today, I will teach you how to draw a semi-realistic eyes. So, now that you have opened your first layer, we will not be drawing directly in here. We will add a new layer to draw our line art. That's our layer 2, where we will be drawing. So, let's use a brush tool and a black color. Draw a curve going up and another curve going up. I know it's fast, so I'll be teaching you how to draw this curve below. There, it's going up and going down, and then there's this little curve, then it's also down, going up, going down, meeting the point of each other and the end. Again, up, down, curve little, up, down, meeting place. Okay. Again, going up, going down, little curve, going up and meeting at the end. It's going like from fat space to a thinner space. Okay. Another one, going up and down. Actually guys, when drawing eyebrows, there are a lot of shapes and kinds of eyebrows, so don't worry too much about perfecting this, but make sure it looks like an eyebrow. Okay, so we're going to the eyes now. So I draw curves up and a curve in the down, and drawing the eye, so we make semicircles and another circle in the middle. Okay, then we can erase the other lines so there will be no outlines that are misaligned. Then put the size of your brush in 3px or whatever line you have, as long as it's thinner than the line you use. Then put some lines for the eyelid and the details of the eyes. Alright, so let's make it bigger and color the eyebrows now. Sorry for the noises. There, it's now colored, and you can perfect it however you like by erasing and stuff. There, you can edit your drawing, put some more lines, dimensions, make the lines thicker, and then let's have a thinner line to put more details and some hairs in the eye, eyelashes, from thin lines to thin lines. As you see, the pressure here is from pressing down upwards, so the pressure will go lighter. There, thinner lines, thinner lines. I like making the eyebrows like this because it looks more natural when it's not that perfect. It's not too much like a cartoon. So you can add lines and Also use erase tool to erase some lines. There. Line, line, line. Just a thin line. Thin erasures, thin lines in the brushes. And that's how you make it. Alright, so now I have added a third layer below the layer 2 in the right side. That's where I will be putting the color. Yes, this is the layer 2. This is the third layer. The layer 2 is where our outline is. Layer 1 is the base. We add one and we add another. That's the layer 3. Okay? So the color, brown and stuff. I like brown colors. There, that's the base color. And then I want to go lighter, so there will be an effect. So I will also add another layer for it. And I will make it into a hard light and go for a softer brush. And I like draw circles. Remember, the layer 4 should be above layer 3 so you can see it. Then another lighter color going here. So I like the reflecting effect. Lighter, lighter. And then in the layer 2, we add another layer to put some lights. Like the reflecting of the lights from the outside. It reflects in the eyes. It looks more realistic like this, right? There. Remember, it's the uppermost layer. And it's in normal mode. There. Then remember that you can merge all layers except the last layer, the 5-1, and then you can copy it. This technique is only for front facing faces. I will teach you eyes with a perspective view later on, but for now this is the technique for this. We cannot flip horizontal the reflection of the light because the light should be from only one direction, so it cannot be mirrored. There. So I'm repeating that again just for you to see how the reflection should be. It should be going from only one direction and should be the same. I want to add more details, like more colors reflecting, like lights going into it. And it should be in a hard light mode, okay? Not normal. Hard light. The layer style, the opacity, I try to decrease. If you want to make it simpler, you can skip this part. I just like adding more details. So here, as you can see, the layer here is in multiply mode, so it gets darker as you put more color. The layer 9 is in multiply mode. I like to darken that area to make it look more alive. There. Be careful of the arrangement of the layers. So I created another layer, the layer 10, and I placed it down below because we're going to put some eyeshadows. So I choose the violet part, that violet color, and put it in there. This is like a makeup tutorial now, huh? Janet, the makeup guru. Alright, so I put the opacity. You can put it on 100. It's alright. You can put it in 50, however you like. So right now I'm choosing another color. There, so it's in opacity 100. But let's change that into a lower 40%. See that it's now mixing to the violet part. You can copy the color and do that brushes again, mix it with an opacity of 50, and then smudge tool to mix them, then eraser so we can make it perfect. There, erase the extra part and erase the one inside the eyes. There, clean it up. We're finished. But you can add more details if you want. You can be creative and do it your own way. As for me, I just think that I like it better if there's like a nose in here. But that's just me. We're not in the nose tutorial yet, but it looks like complete like this. And then but yeah, you can add, you can remove however you like. So now that we're finished, what can you say about the work? Anyways, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button beside the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and if you have questions, don't be shy to drop them down below in the comment section. Have a nice day!